Hello and welcome to the video. This is the prize draw for a video that I did yesterday for this thing here. This is the new FOXEER 4-in-1 ESC. Now I need to say a massive thank you to FOXEER for sending me a couple of these to have a look at, because it means that this spare one, which is unopened, I think this is pre-production packaging, this is the final ESC, but there's not even stickers on this. This one is for the giveaway. So congratulations to all of you that spotted with that, and thank you for interacting with it and leaving all of the comments. So it just remains for me to pull the name out of the hat. Let's jump on the computer and I will do the random comment picker. So this is the video from yesterday. So this is the thing. This is the FOXEER Mini Reaper 60 amp 4-in-1 ESC. Designed for the smaller flight controller, but it's physically quite a bit bigger. But what we're going to do is we'll cut and paste into the random comment picker for duplicate users, 365 comments, great, one for every day of the year. The winner of this 4-in-1 ESC is the Nige69. I'm guessing that means you're called Nigel. Nigel, congratulations. Pop me your address details to lee@painlessstreak60.com. Commiserations to all of you that didn't win. But do stay tuned, there are going to be other giveaways on the channel. And thank you as always for taking a little bit of time out of your day to watch the videos that I make. Thank you for spending your time today watching that video. You can find me in all the usual places on social media. And if you're trying to learn about a subject, then check out the playlist. All of my videos are organized into easy to follow playlists that if you're trying to learn a topic will take you from the basics right the way through to some pretty advanced stuff.